Good morning, students of class 9B. In the period of mathematics, we are going to start one new chapter, chapter 6, indices. Explanation is done in the live class, and I am uploading the videos of the solutions of few questions. Question number 1 says, evaluate the following. A 6 to the power 0. We know if power is 0 upon any number, then that is equal to 1. In bracket I have written a to the power 0 equal to 1. Question number C, 2 cube square to the power square. This is power upon power. This format of the question is called power upon power. This cube is already power and this 2 is power upon this power. So we say this format of question as power upon power. In this 2 is the base, I wrote here. 3 square means 3 will be multiplied twice, 3 into 3 for 3 square. We write 3 into 3. So with base 2, power or index became 9. We multiplied 9 times 2 and we got 512. Question number E. The question is 0.008 to the power 2 by 3. In this step, I have omitted the decimal. For that, 1000 came as denominator because there are 3 decimal places. So 3 zeros will come with 1. So the fractional form of this decimal 0.008 became 8 by 1000. And power is 2 by 3, so I wrote here 2 by 3. If we write the exponential form of this fraction, then we can write 2 by 10 to the power cube, because 2 will be multiplied 3 times, will get 8, and 10 will also be multiplied 3 times, will get 1000. So we can write 8 by 1000 as 2 by 10 cube, whole cube, and already power is there 2 by 3. So these two powers, cube and 2 by 3, will be multiplied. Here I have multiplied. Base is 2 by 10. I wrote 2 by 10. 3 into 2 by 3. So this 3 and this 3 cancelled. 2 by 10 whole square. And this simplification became 2 2 is 4, 10 10 is 100, 4 by 100. If we change it into decimal, then it became 0.04. We come to question number G. Here this 6 square root 25 whole cube. This power will be written as 25 cube to the power 1 by 6. Which number is here? We will write the reciprocal of that number, making the power of the base, making the power of the given number, that is under square root. This became 25 cube into 1 by 6. 3 2 is 6. 25 1 by 2. For index 1 by 2, we can write square root of 25 and square root of 25 will be 5. This is the answer. Question number 2 states that evaluate the following. A 9 to the power 4 divided by 27 to the power minus 2 by 3. This 9 we can write as 3 square. This power 9 to the power 4 came here, 3 square to the power 4 divided by this 27 we can write as 3 cube, and this power minus 2 by 3 came here, so this became 3 cube to the power minus 2 by 3. These powers 2 and 4 will be multiplied, divided by 3, this 3 base and these 2 powers minus 2 by 3 and 3 will be multiplied. This is cancelled. 3 to the power 8 divided by 3 to the power minus 2. In the form of division, bases are same, that is 3. So the powers will be subtracted. I wrote here 3 to the power 8 minus 2. It became 3 to the power 10. If we make the base 9, then power will be upon 1 by 2, because 9 upon 1 by 2 became the square root of 9. 9 to the power 1 by 2 became square root of 9, and from square root of 9 we can get 3. So this base 3 we can write as 9 to the power 1 by 2, and this power will be multiplied into 10. 2 5s are 10, 9 to the power 5. If we calculate it, simplify it, we will get 59,049. Question number C. Question is 64 by 216 to the power 2 by 3 into 16 by 36 to the power minus 3 by 2. This 64 we can write as 4 cube, and 216 we can write as 6 cube. This power 2 by 3 came here. Similarly, we can write 16 as 4 square and 36 as 6 square. This power minus 3 by 2 came here. Now 4 by 6 whole cube, because with the numerator and denominator the powers are same, so we can write this whole cube, and this power 2 by 3 will be multiplied with that cube. This side numerator and denominator both have square, so we can write it as 4 by 6 to the power minus 3 by 2, and whole square will be multiplied here. This 4 by 6 whole square, because this 3 cancelled, into 2 and 2 cancelled, so 4 by 6 to the power minus 3. Both are in the form of multiplication and the bases are same. In this condition we add the powers. For that I wrote here 4 by 6 to the power 2 plus minus 3. Powers are added. For addition I give here plus, and it already minus 3 I wrote here. That is equal to 4 by 6 plus minus minus, so 2 minus 3, that is equal to 4 by 6 to the power minus 1. To change into positive index, we will write the reciprocal of 4 by 6, that will be 6 by 4, and this is changed the positive index plus 1, so the no value of power plus 1. I have simplified this fraction, cancelling numerator and denominator both by the common number 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, so the simplification became 3 by 2.